नमस्कार दोस्तों। चलिए तो डिक्टेशन के लिए रेडी हो जाइए। आज फिर से मैं आप लोगों को सिविल कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट एंड अदर जुडिशियल डिपार्टमेंट्स के लिए लीगल डिक्टेशन दूंगा। बढ़िया से अस्थिर होकर लिखिएगा, शांति से लिखिएगा और प्रयास कीजिएगा जो वर्ड छूट जाए उसको छोड़ दें, उसके चक्कर में नया को नहीं छोड़ें। चलिए तो स्टार्ट करता हूँ। मैं काउंट डाउन करूँगा और 3 से शुरू करूँगा, 0 के बाद स्टार्ट कर दूँगा। 3, 2, 1, स्टार्ट। This appeal assails the judgment and order delivered by the Division Bench of the High Court of Judicature at Bombay in Criminal Appeal number 46 of 2005, thereby dismissing the appeal of the appellant and maintaining the conviction and sentence of the appellant as passed by the Additional Sessions Judge Islampur in Sessions Case number 39 of 2003 for offence punishable under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code within bracket IPC. Signature not verified. Stop para. The prosecution case in brief as could be gathered from the material placed on record is as under. Stop para. Deceased Jai Sri was married to the accused prior to about 8 or 9 years from the date of the incident. They were blessed with 2 issues. PW3 Anandi Vai is the mother of deceased. PW5 Ramchandra Chintappa is the brother of the appellant who was residing separately in different parts of the same house. It is the case of the prosecution that the appellant was addicted to liquor and used to abuse and beat the deceased, forcing her to get money from her mother. On the fateful night of 23rd March 2003, the accused and deceased went to sleep in their house. At the dawn of 24th March 23, PW5 gave a call to the appellant so that they could go to their field for harvesting jowar crop. The accused opened the door and expressed his inability to accompany him to the field, stating that Jaisri had committed suicide by hanging. PW4 Ramchandra Shankar resides near the house of the appellant as well as PW5. PW5 informed PW4 about the incident. PW5 went to the village Panumbar to inform the mother of deceased and other relatives about the incident. PW5 went to Kokrud police station and gave information about death of the deceased. On the basis of information received from PW5, initially ad number 13/2003 came to be registered. Subsequently, crime came to be registered for the offence punishable under section 302 IPC as per the advance death certificate and probable cause of death was asphyxia due to strangulation. The charge sheet came to be filed before the jurisdictional magistrate first class. Stop para. The case was committed to the learned sessions judge. Charge was framed for the offence punishable under section 302 IPC. The appellant pleaded not guilty and claimed to be tried. At the conclusion of the trial, the learned trial judge convicted the accused for the offence punishable under section 302 IPC and sentenced him to imprisonment for life. Stop. आशा करता हूँ कि आप लोग बढ़िया से ये पैसेज लिखे होंगे। लीगल था, 100 वर्ड पर मिनट के स्पीड से लगभग था। कैसा लिखाया मुझे बताइए कमेंट करके। और कहाँ परेशानी हो रही है। मैं प्रयास करूँगा आप लोगों को कि जहाँ परेशानी हो रही है वो परेशानी ना हो, और मैं बताऊँ आपको। अगर स्टॉक्स वगैरह बढ़िया से बन रहा है तो ठीक है, और नहीं बन रहा है तो कमेंट करके आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। एनी डाउट, कुछ भी अगर डाउट हो रहा है तो आप मुझसे ज़रूर पूछिए। ठीक है, फिर मिलेंगे हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।